Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to redeem an Amazon gift card on your PC. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon website. Now sign into your Amazon account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, move your mouse over Account and Lists and click Account. From there, find and select Gift Cards. Now click Redeem a gift card. In this video, I am using a digital gift card, but the process is the same for both digital and physical gift cards. With a digital gift card, you can simply copy and paste the code, while with a physical gift card, you need to enter the code manually. Now enter your gift card claim code in the provided box. Then click Apply to your balance. If the code is valid, the gift card amount will be added to your Amazon account balance immediately. And that's it. You have successfully redeemed an Amazon gift card on your PC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.